Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Beelink the King. We are going to do some extended testing with the PlayStation games. Yes, we're also going to upscale it this time. And we're going to do some more testing. Alright, so stay tuned, let's go. Alright, so the first try we are going to play this game. And we're going to play it like the original. And in the following videos we are going to upscale it. Somebody requested this, so we can check out the power within this box. Alright, let's play. Alright. I hope you can hear it on the camera, but you can see that the game is very smooth. It runs like it should be. So if you want to play it with original mode, the King has no problems at all. Alright, so let's upscale it. We're having two extra upscalers. We're going to go through the first one. Alright, this part we're going to use it 2x internal resolution. It's smoother and slower. Okay, but I'm going to check it out, what happens. I hope you can see the differences, but it looks a little bit smoother. Alright, let's upscale it a little bit more so you can see the difference. So this is the maximum upscaling, and as you can see it runs indeed way slower. Better said, it is freaking unplayable.
SNK. Form up your team.
Oh yeah. Alright, so let's play.
Bureaucrats. They'd replace us all with robots given half the chance. Briefings are awful. Air is too... I don't have a spell ready.
loading takes forever. Alright, let's see how long the loading times are.
Round one, fight!
Alright, so for the final conclusion, if it comes to playing PlayStation on the Beelink the King, I can tell you that playing the games original with no upscaler is not a problem at all. It runs the games pretty good. But if you are going to upscale them, the resolution, I can tell you, and you have seen it in the video, it makes the games unplayable. So it's a really powerful device, but not that powerful for, let's say, playing these games upscaled. So that concludes this video. I hope it helped out. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.